Lombard Odier Group Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Lombard Odier is a private banking and wealth management firm, but most people get this wrong. They assume pricing is standardized. The surprising truth is that Lombard Odier customizes fees based on assets under management, investment strategy, and services required. Typically, advisory fees range from 0.5% to 1% annually of assets under management, depending on account size. You won't believe the value included. Besides investment management, clients receive estate planning, tax optimization, and exclusive market insights. High net worth clients often benefit from personalized portfolios and access to alternative investments. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on the percentage fees. They overlook risk management, portfolio diversification, and personalized guidance, which can prevent losses and improve long-term returns. Pricing is transparent and tiered, meaning larger portfolios often enjoy lower effective rates. In conclusion, Lombard Odier's pricing reflects bespoke wealth management services. By understanding fee structures, service inclusions, and portfolio options, you go from zero to pro in evaluating private banking solutions and ensuring that your investments are working efficiently for you.